In this video, we discover together the irresistible and delicious Moroccan gastronomy and the variety of dishes. In fact, many people put visiting Morocco on their bucket list. This is because of the hospitality of Moroccan people, the bewitching places to go, and the great food. There are many charming and attractive places to visit in Morocco that will astound you, such as historical sites, sandy beaches, high atlas, deserts, Kasbahs, gardens, etc. Moroccan food is the most famous food because of the Moroccan cuisine serves the irresistible tasty plates. You cannot visit Morocco without tasting its food. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It will give us great energy to produce more videos with interesting content on important topics. This country is considered as one of the best destinations to enjoy delicious dishes and plates. Moreover, Moroccan cuisine is a bit of a mix of African, European and Mediterranean cuisines. Each city in Morocco has its own flavor, which takes your words at the first bite. For example, the flavor of a Tajine prepared in Marrakech is different from that prepared in Agadir. The Tajine is a traditional Moroccan clay plate known for its conical shape. Moroccan food is healthy, not too chic, and stays true to traditions. It mainly uses olive oil, garlic, onions, vegetables, dried fruits, and juices. Moreover, Moroccan food uses different types of spices that enhance the flavors of the food. In fact, when a person tastes it, he becomes addicted to it. From the various type of Moroccan dishes we cite, the couscous of meat with 7 vegetables, chicken tagine with olives and candied lemon, meat tagine with vegetables or prunes and apricot, tagine of fish, and Bastila based on seafood. To prepare tagine of beef, goat or lamb with peas and artichokes, we need as ingredients meat, beef, goat or lamb, onions, garlic, cilantro, parsley, peas, artichoke bottoms, olive oil. Also, we use spices such as salt, turmeric, ground black pepper, ground ginger, and saffron. Always start by marinating the meat in the mixture of rubbing spices, garlic, parsley, coriander, and olive oil. Then, let sit for a few minutes or hours to be sure that the meat absorbs the flavors of this mixture. First, mix the meat with the chopped onions. Second, put it in the tagine broth and stir several times to brown the meat on all sides. Finally, cover the meat with water and reduce the heat to the middle. If the liquids start to boil, add the saffron, peas, and the artichoke bottoms and cover the tagine until the peas and artichokes are soft and liquids become a rich sauce. This dish serves tagine directly with bread and green salad. The pea and artichoke bottoms can be replaced with prunes and apricots or vegetables like carrot, potato, and pumpkin. This is only a motivation for you to know more or less how we cook a Moroccan tagine. You can find how-to videos on YouTube that provide the technique in detail from start to finish.